Hello! Today we're going to be doing a follow-up about a previous video I did about how you can change the amount of power assists you have. You can have either 3, 5 or 9. I'll put the video up here somewhere about it. Now when I did this last time, it was in the house. So today we're going to do a sort of real on-road test with it to see if the display is not being fooled at all when we change the power assist settings. I've got this set up with the speedometer app on the phone, so the display has been calibrated. Again, in a previous video, again you can check it up here somewhere, it's been calibrated to be pretty much the correct speed. So the first off, we're going to be testing it in the 5 power assists as it comes from the factory. We'll check out the top speed of that first, and then we'll try it in 3 power assists and 9 power assists, because when I checked them in the house they were giving a higher top speed on the display. So we'll see today whether it's accurate. So okay then, let's do the first run with 5 power assists. So there we have, in 5 power assists, a top speed of 22 miles an hour. Okay, this time we're going to be doing it with 3 power assists and see what effect that has on the top speed. See if the displays agree with each other. Let's try that one. So 3 power assists. Probably giving us 1 mile an hour faster. Right, this time we're going to be doing it with 9 power assists and see if that is the same as the 3 power assists, which it was when we tested it in the house. Again, on-road real-time testing with an accurate speedo. And that is 9 power assists. Again, only an increase of about 1 mile an hour. Okay, so let's wrap this up. The difference between 3, 5 and 9 power assists, I mean, it's only, when out on the road, it's only about 1 mile an hour. It's not really worth it. There was a bigger difference when I tested it indoors. So for me, 5 power assists is where it's going to stay. 9's far too much anyway. And I think in power assist 1 you get no assist at all. 3, it's a bit like having a 3-speed bike and a 5-speed bike. You just got more options with 5. Without it being too many options, if you know what I mean. So yeah, is it worth changing? Nah, not really. Better off keeping it at stock. Like I say, you might squeeze an extra mile an hour out of it, but to be honest, it isn't worth it. So that's that test out of the way. I was expecting a little more from it actually, but at least you can see the speedo is a bit more accurate these days. And that's with setting the wheel size to 22 inch and not the 24 that it comes set at. But you can check that out in the other video. While you're there, take a look at some of the other videos I've done. I've done quite a few now, various things. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, for what it's worth. Until next time, thanks for watching.